Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about a popular diet plan for weight loss, the ketogenic diet. If you're looking for a way to jumpstart your weight loss journey, this might just be the plan for you. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This means you can enjoy high-fat foods like bacon, cheese, and avocado while still losing weight. So, let's get started with a week's worth of keto meal ideas. Day 1. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and bacon. Lunch, grilled chicken with a side salad and avocado. Dinner, beef stir-fry with broccoli and mushrooms. Day 2. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and almond butter. Lunch, tuna salad with mayonnaise and cucumber. Dinner, pork chops with roasted vegetables. Day 3. Breakfast, smoothie with coconut milk, berries, and nut butter. Lunch, turkey bacon wrap with cheese and lettuce. Dinner, baked salmon with a side of roasted asparagus. And this is just a starting point. There are so many delicious and satisfying foods you can enjoy on the keto diet. Just remember to focus on high-fat, low-carb foods, and limit your carbohydrate intake to less than 20 grams per day. And that's it for today's video. If you're ready to start your keto journey, be sure to follow our channel for more tips and recipes. And don't forget to like and subscribe.